Wait, what the hell is this? It's kind of like the don't laugh challenge. It's like sus voices challenge. Of course this is Lex. Oh my fucking god, that's... Yeah. All my videos aren't sus. Oh my god, that's pretty sus, yeah. The dude who's watching this is like too entertained by this. Don't look at me when she makes those sounds, guys. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. The Japanese, oh my god. This is why I play in English. I don't need this kind of thing in my life. She's bad touching my ears. Jesus. Woman. Yeah, it's sus. It's all sus. Okay, all Genshin voice lines are sus. I feel like doing this, I couldn't possibly win. Honestly. Because Japan has better VAs. Bullshit. I don't believe you. Okay, her voice does sound cool, like, with that. But, yeah, pretty sus. Like, most Genshin stuff is so sus. Like, video game-wise. Booty cheeks. Slight sus. I give it a slight sus on the sus rating. But not the sussest that I've sussed. Okay.
Oh, it's you, little cutie. It's so good.
God, people are alone. Sorry, that's like what came to my mind is like people highlighted this because it was important to them. It's like, God, someone must feel very alone. Genshin players. Yeah, it's just like me I know I feel very alone. Just like me for real, guys. Accusations challenge, and when we just yell out, no, the person's sus, no, the video sus, no, your mom is sus.